Wheeze. And I was visiting you before. I hope I'm in this camera. Sorry about that. I can't manipulate this camera and talk to you at the same time. And I don't know who to get to record me. So sorry about that. I came to tell you another hint. This is for people who may not have health insurance and who are struggling financially, myself included. If you are suffering from stress and you need to see a doctor but do not have the money for your insurance, here is what you can do. Now, you take this finger and you rub on the temple area, around and around and around. You do that several times and that will begin to manipulate some stress-free feelings. Then you go on to here, which is called the aortic valve area. And if you have tonsils, you'll have very big balls under here. But if you do not have tonsils, you will not have but tiny little balls. They're called nodules. You'll have an aortic nodule. You massage down under there, also around and around, and it will help make you feel good. Then you take your finger and you go back behind your neck. If you're really small and you have things all lined up to help you health-wise, you will have somebody very special lined up to rub the back of your neck in this particular area. Maybe even get some of that sweet smelling cream to put back there, and that will really relieve the stress in your life. Now remember these steps. It's 1, 2, and 3, and to boot with health care. You do not need it for relieving your stress. Number 1, take the fingertip and rub on the little temple area. Number 2, rub under the small balls down here, the aortic balls. Number 3, get someone, if you have someone close, to massage behind your neck with a sweet smelling, sorry about that, massage oil, and your cares and troubles will go out the window. And that is your fine tip from Ella Wheeze today. Forget health care, do it yourself tip. Number 1, there are 102 more tips coming up as to how you can take care of yourself carefree without any stress worries. And remember this, I love you dearly from the very, very bottom of this lovely heart of mine. I love you, dear friends. And that is all I have to say. Goodbye today from Ella Wheeze. Good night. I love you.